And those are some of the latest stories. Back to you, Peter.
Thanks, Julia. For more on stocks and sectors and share tips, we're joined now by David Hunt, Chief Strategist at adest.com.au. A-D-E-S-T?
Yes.
Adest, is it?
Adest, yeah.
Adest, okay. So tell us about the company. I've known you for ages, but I've never had you on the program.
Okay. What we started off doing was teaching people how to trade and invest.
Okay.
And eventually it turned into people asked me how to do it, and I used to put little articles in the Financial Review, and people ring me up and go, "Can we get advice from you?"
Yeah, okay.
And I always said, "Well, gee, I don't know. Why don't you just read it in the paper?" Because I used to do it just for fun. And eventually they said, no, I really want to pay you some money to do this.
Yeah, okay.
And so eventually I had to
Love
do
those sort of people. They're the sort of people I like. There you go.
Yeah, I pushed them away for about 10 years, and eventually I said yes. And so it grew from there. I started a little group called the Profit Hunter Group from people, and now I end up advising planners, fund managers, stockbrokers.
So you're a strategist in many ways?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the main unique approach that you bring to playing the market?
Oh, I'm a converted economist, and I have a penchant for cycles in the market. So I look forward and I see basically how people are looking at the market and viewing it, and when they really hate it, I buy it. You might have noticed on the 4th of October when you were looking very sad and glum, and I said, "Pete, it's probably tonight." Yeah. And the bottom was the 4th of October last year,
Most
and
definitely.
it was a beautiful. It was nice because everyone was just so pessimistic.
Okay. And did you get the feeling there was time to get out around March or April this year?
Yes, April. Yeah,
okay.
April.
Okay. So what are you feeling now? That's what.
At the moment, I've got my bullhorns on. You know.
Okay.
It's
you like what you
it's confirmed today.
I wrote an article in my Switzer Super Report a few weeks back. I can feel it in me waters that things are going to go well, Captain Kim style. So I'm glad to see things are heading that direction.
Yeah, I'm there.
Did you get a feeling of how long it can last? 'Cause, it changes. Of course.
No, but the forecast for me is the bottom should have come in June, July this year. For the next run up, it's had a third higher bottom, which means we'll probably be going up till about 2017. 2016 is...
You're saying the worst of this is now behind us?
Absolutely.
Now you're an economist, so you know there are still fundamental issues out there.
Absolutely.
Like you've got the Europe massive question mark.
Yep.
China,
yep.
looking better, I think, looking better than worse.
Yeah. Well, technically, China's on a double bottom right now. Right. So once it starts to get its feet in the ground, it's actually a reasonable buy. And A-shares 2,300 above there. If the A-shares index gets above 2,300, it's a buy for a run up to about 2,800, 2,900. So
you're happy for this year that the market's going to go up?
Yeah. The thing with China, though, is it still has risks till 2015. Australia can still do well, and the US is on a massive bull run at the moment.
Well, David, we're out of time. You've filled in because Gary's saying can't get in the building. I'll get you on the program. We'll talk about it in more detail down the track.
Thanks, Peter.
Thanks for coming on the program, mate. That was David Hunt, Chief Strategist at adest.com.au. Coming up, are women natural born leaders? Stay tuned for our debate.